Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Next up is my personal vehicle, Pete. I've got a leak in the rear differential. I believe it's coming from the pinion seal. I had the truck in here to do a camshaft positioning sensor. Unfortunately, I didn't video it. I probably should have. Let you guys see everything I got going on all the time, but sometimes it's just easier just to get it fixed. So I went ahead and knocked it out, which entailed taking the whole intake off and all that good stuff. And it was in here for like 2 to 3 days, and I noticed a little baby puddle, not big, not even that big, it was small. But I need to get that taken care of and addressed before it becomes a major problem down the road. So we'll go ahead and get this thing aired up. I'm gonna jack it up on jack stands, pretty tall. That way we can get the camera under there and get you guys to do this with me. All right, let's see what's going on down here. All right, let's. Yep, it's wet for sure. Let's see where I can put this. Let's see what it looks like if we could see up in this seal. I can't see in there. You can't focus. But let's see. Back you guys out a little. Hopefully I don't get dripped on. Yeah, it looks wet up in there. All right. Well, let's go ahead and start taking, flashlight up here, start taking things apart. We will find a way to get the camera set up, and we'll take off that end of the drive shaft first. Now with the drive shaft off, and I went ahead and marked and measured where the nut goes for the pinion, I need to go ahead and pull the cap off the cover, the plug, and I need to make sure there's no fluid inside that differential. So we'll go ahead and drain that real quick. Then I'll go and show you guys everything that I'm doing. We're gonna pull the yoke end off with a puller, and then we'll get that seal off. But I'll show you along the way. Now that that's out, I'll go ahead and take the puller off, get it put back in its box. We'll go ahead and pull the seal, and then we'll go up and get a new one. Once we get the new one in, we'll put this back in reverse, tighten it down to spec, should be where we marked it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and top it off with new fluid. We should be good to go. Hey, if you aren't yet, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that bell. That way you get notified when new videos come out. Now that we have everything out, and we also have the new seal. This is the part number, in case anybody needs it. 710506. This is the old seal. This is the new one. New one looks a lot better. You can see this one looks a little worn. There's that lip in the back. It's kind of flat. This one's a little stuck out better. Looks like it'll snug this piece actually, because this is the piece, this is a shield. I cleaned it up with some brake cleaner, got any of the old gunk off of there, but this goes on to here, and it helps keep this rubber piece, it helps keep everything out of your bearings, out of your seal, all that gunk out of there. So now we just need to clean up. I'm gonna wipe out the opening that this seal goes to, and then we'll start getting everything installed. All wrapped up. Everything's all tight, back together, and ready to go. Another round of the truck. I will say that pump I was using, I don't know if I'm gonna even keep that. I'll probably leave it just for backup, but that thing is way too slow. I think it only pumps 1 ounce per pump, but I couldn't really get a funnel under there. And I have this huge jug, which I don't know if I'm gonna get again. Figured I'd save a few dollars by getting a bigger jug, but it's a pain in the butt. The pump is supposed to be one that fits. Well, this opening is bigger than your standard opening. So it's like a fast pour, which it's a lot of gear lube to be pouring out a lot at once. But we'll see how that works out another time. But for right now, no more leaks. Truck will be happy. And we can continue on with our daily driving, our shows, anywhere we need to go. But that's it. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.